So I have another piece of plywood. Gonna change the bit to the V bit again, the 60mm V60. Put it on. I've got the program already on a laptop, so I'm gonna set the 0 with a piece of paper, a little magic piece of paper. There we go, start touching already, see? So set, turn up a bit. I've got the job already here. That one, here we go. Now we're gonna change to a 3mm end mill, just to cut all the way through. So yeah, I need to change this whole thing. There's a tube flute end mill, as we spoke earlier. So make sure it's nice and tight, because the last thing you really want is just comes loose when you're doing your work. Set it up, the same piece of paper again. Okay, it's already touching. Just gonna go up a little bit, a tad. There we go, just like that. That's fine. I'm gonna set it, and got the program already here. I already put it there. So it's that one, end mill. Press it here. Yeah.